What's up, everyone? Jason4229 here, and today not opening anything. Well, first I want to say, it's been a long time making a video, especially since I made that Excalibur saying the return of Yu-Gi-Oh! I haven't been making Yu-Gi-Oh! Openings. Yesterday, today I went to my local DNA Comics in Elmo, Texas. You should really go there. They have a lot of products. I was doing some trading, and I got some really cool mats. And they're from booster packs. I don't know if you can see them, if you know them, but I got these. So I just want to show you the mat in this video. The first mat I got was this Battle Pack Epic Dawn mat. It's from, I don't know where this mat came from. All I know is that it was from a booster box product, and it really looks cool. You have Dynamo Magician. I'm just gonna move it. Then we have Gymnite Pearl. Then, not only that, we have the hold on, let's see, Dark Magician of Chaos. Then we have, I'm leaving that Summer School. Then finally we have Ancient Gear Soldier. Okay, I kind of screwed up right there. So yeah, this mat's really cool in my vocabulary. And then not only that, we got this mat too. And I think these have been opened. We got this weird, amazing mat. It's called Battle Pack 2 War of the Giants. I traded this too, and it had Obelisk. It's really cool. But I've seen some videos, for example, let's just move the camera to Obelisk. It looks cool. I heard this from what's his name, Cyberknight8610. They have different mats. They have Obelisk Cypher and Raw. The only difference was that the color of the of the cover of the Battle Pack, War of Giants, as you can see, Obelisk was red, Raw's is blue, and Cypher, I think it's gold or yellow, I don't know. And here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna start opening these products. I don't know if they have the let me show you the Epic Dawn booster packs. I don't know if they have them still, first one, but I think they still have War of the Giants. I think it just barely came out. I'll try to get a box for you guys. But first, the first product I'm going to be opening for Yu-Gi-Oh! Is going to be Hidden Arsenal 7. The booster box, supposedly, that's the last set of Hidden Arsenal. So hopefully I'll open that video this upcoming Friday, or maybe tomorrow or Thursday. So that's all I want to show you guys. So, what do you think? Do you think I should open these products, or and what do you think about my first booster box opening? Yeah, so please comment and subscribe. And this is Jason4229 signing out. Peace, guys.